What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bank details in Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe, or you can directly type in dashboard.stripe.com. But make sure guys, you are correctly signed in into your Stripe account with your email and your password. And after typing in your email and password, you will be welcome to this homepage of Stripe. Now from here on your left side, you can see the option of balances. Click on that. And after coming here on your right side, you can see the option of add bank account. Click on this and then a page will load to send the verification link to your email. And after that, just simply click on send verification. After you verify your identity through your email, you will receive this message that you have verified your identity. Now come back to this balance and then confirm your password, the password that you have given on the Stripe. And after that, it will ask you some of the questions of about your bank details, like all your legal credentials. Just simply enter those credentials and then you will be successfully able to add your bank details in Stripe. So this is how you can add your bank details on Stripe. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.